Welcome to Sudoku SKVM. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 9, 2024. 3 star Sudoku. Second grade and 8th row. We have pair numbers 216. So 216 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Fifth row we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column E, column F we have 2. So 2 can't come. 2 can't come these cells. 8th row also we have 2. So 2 can't come this cell. Then 2 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row, we have pair numbers 1 and 2. Column I also we have 1 and 2. So 1 and 2 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column H we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column H, column I we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. 4th row and column H we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 5th row we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then 6th grade. Only one number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column I, the 8th row we have pair numbers 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column H we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining. 7 and 8. Column G, column I we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Third grade, remaining numbers will confirm later. 4th grade, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column D we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Then 4th row, only one number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. 5th row, 3 numbers are remaining. 5, 9, 7. Column A we have 5 and 9. So 5 and 9 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. Column D we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then 5th row, only one number is remaining. 7. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4th grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 5th grade and 6th row, 2 numbers are remaining. 1 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. 8th row we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column F we have 7. So 7 can't come this cell. 7 is confirmed here. And then 1 is here. 7th grade and first row we have pair numbers 2 and 6. So 2 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Second row we have 6. So 6 can't come this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then column here 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 4. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column E, column F we have pair numbers 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column F, column E we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. First grade we have 3. So 3 can't come this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Column E, first row we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column E, column F we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Third grade, column E we pair numbers 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column C we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then third row, 3 numbers are remaining. 4, 5, 9. Third grade we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then column E, 2 numbers are remaining. 8 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Second grade, 2 numbers are remaining. 8 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. Column F we have 9. So 9 can't come this cell. 9 is confirmed here. And then 8 is here. Then column E, only one number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then 8th grade and column F, 2 numbers are remaining. 5 and 7. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. First row we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. The 8 will come in one of these cells. Column B we have 8. So 8 can't come this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then first grade, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We confirm later. Then first row, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 3. First, third grade, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then second grade, only 1 number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. Third row and third grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 9. 8th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. Then we can confirm 9 also here. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 8. 8th row we have 4 and 8, so 4 and 8 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of these cells. 9th row we have 8, so it can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 8th row only 1 number is remaining, 5 is confirmed here. Column B we have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column B we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column B only 1 number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. 7th grade. And column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5, it will come in one of these cells. 9th row we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th row we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.